It is Saturday morning, week 35, y'all. Can you believe it? Okay, so you saw last week that the house got painted. Well, we painted the house, and I still haven't shown you what the whole thing looks like yet.
Sorry!
Because I'm waiting until the window trim is done, and then I'll show you the whole thing. So we're putting the awning back up right now. I'm supposed to be helping him. He's supposed to be waiting for me to help him. We managed to get the awning back up over the side door, as you can see here. You know, we had to take it down, obviously, to paint, but also our rain guard had to go over the top of it. So that was a job to get that back up there. Last week, I had started painting some of the trim and stuff. So this week, I moved on into painting doors and more trim. And oh my wow, people, choosing to do this whole entire door, the casing of the door, everything black, the grids, everything, just creates such a bold statement piece on the front of the house. And I am so in love. Here, I'm just showing you the little painting technique that I showed you last week. Doing that again with all the areas that I have to tape off to just make life so much easier. Again, you put your painter's tape on, then you paint over it with the previous color you were using, then you grab your second color, paint right over to prevent bleeding of your second color underneath the tape. When you peel it, you've got those perfect lines. So yeah, here it is. I just think it looks incredible, and I'm so happy with how this door and all the trim turned out. Monday was a really short day. We grabbed our toilets at Home Depot, and that was it for the farm on Monday. Looky who I see. He must be wanting to go into the studio and create something. This is Scar. Obviously, we haven't seen him in a while. Hey, Scar. It's not having it. Say. Look, it's your friend. So God is giving the roof a bath today, a shower today. The roof was so dirty, but I just want to show you some of this. Maybe, hopefully, it looks so pretty. Today, Mike and I are just doing a lot of odd and end jobs. I mean, when it's raining, we can't be out painting the back. We desperately needed this rain too, by the way. Oh, have I shown you guys my volunteer? I think it's either like a melon, but someone else said it could be squash, but my app shows that it is a cantaloupe or honeydew melon. Volunteer. It probably won't produce because it's a little too late in the year, but thought that was kind of cool. Yes, we still have to get this issue taken care of. But everything's looking so great. Excuse me, little missy. What are you doing? You think you own this joint? She's like, yeah, I do. Silly girl in the bathroom. I worked on a little project this afternoon. You may have seen this in my little YouTube upload shorts video that I created. I just grabbed some planters from Walmart and spray painted them and made them just how I wanted them, because I've been looking for pots, couldn't find what I was looking for, and this ombre look is what I had in mind. So I just created it myself, and I am totally happy with how this looks, and it's just something that I can interchange, you know, plants in and out of on the front porch there to jazz it up for whatever season. So again, you may have seen the little YouTube short video that I uploaded earlier in the week. So yeah, try one if you feel inspired to. Wednesday was trim day for me. Black trim, as you can see that I'm painting right here, and then windows and a door all day long. I just finished up a couple more windows, and it's really hard to see the back trim. And so now we're ready for our gutter guy, Dale, to come. So while I've been doing that, Mike has been busy inside doing some trim work. Our toilets get installed tomorrow. So he's working on getting that done. And he's having to paint along the way, you know, because it's behind a toilet and we haven't had a chance to get all of our trim sprayed yet. So he's having to hand paint. So that's always fun, but I think he's about to trim here and up around the shower, and it's gonna look so good. Yeah, he's got a little painting station set up in here. Cool, cool. Slowly but surely, little by little, bit by bit.
Getting some trim work done.
Hand painting the trim.
Yeah, we were wanting to spray it all, but we don't have a facility to spray it. So I'll just keep dripping. I'll be showing my drips.
No drips allowed. Check out that trim work. Very nice.
I forgot to paint the end over here.
It's got this bathroom trimmed out too. Well, some of it. Oh, that looks so good. Love it. Love it, love it. And here's the final results of my studio door. Again, this is jet black. I think I shared that with you last week. It's a Benjamin Moore color. All right, you guys, so it is Thursday. We are working on trimming this out. This was such a crazy thing. We did not want to lose more room space in this area. This is the spare room, the spare bathroom, laundry room. You know, had we built the walls out this far, we would have lost all that space. So we're just trimming that out, making it like a little ledge, if you will. So we're sitting here, and all of a sudden I tell Mike that, you know, we can bring the washer and dryer in and get that set up as soon as he finishes this. I look up and realize the washer hookups are gone. Like, the water is gone. It's buried in the wall right there. They sheetrocked right over it, and we just now noticed it. So I've had to go back and dig through videos and pictures to locate it, and I think I found it. Also got the bathroom window trimmed out, and I forgot to show you this yesterday. He got the door trimmed out too. It looks so great. Yes, we have to caulk holes and paint it. You know, we wanted to paint everything, spray all the trim and all, but weather hasn't cooperated, wind and all that jazz. So
I wanted you to notice all of these little furring strips. I've got even some cardboard in there to make these level. And then if I can show you in here, the cement comes out, and then as it goes along the wall, comes in tighter. And now we've got it where all of it is perfectly level when the finishing product is put on top, and we finish it all out. There'll be a nice step there that'll be nice and level, and nobody will know all that little stuff's under there but you guys.
Our good friend Stephen Gray came over and installed our toilets for us. He always tells us, you guys, this is totally something you can do on your own, but we choose to let him do it because he's pro and he knows what he's doing, and he's a great guy. So we really appreciate that. Did you hear that? We have toilets! Steven, thank you so much. So at the end of today, here's what this bathroom looks like. Somewhat trimmed out. Still got to fill a lot of nail holes. There's the trim guy.
Yeah.
And Salem's pretty happy here. So remember yesterday, we told you that we discovered that the washing machine hookups were buried in the wall. Well, Mike's digging them out right now. Fun stuff. This really is kind of funny because now we're questioning, like, did some other outlets or anything else get covered up and we haven't discovered it yet? I actually had that picture that I flashed on the screen just a little bit ago, and I was showing Mike so we could be sure and locate the exact area where this was, so we didn't hit any of the pecs or the actual faucets with our blades. Found it. Mike's trimming out his office window today.
Gonna look gorgeous.
And I am painting trim around the window because we did not get to paint it before. All right, so just a couple of days ago, I was showing you guys this little volunteer melon vine that is growing here. Well, look what I discovered yesterday. A little melon growing right here. Again, not 100% certain if it's a honeydew melon or a cantaloupe. So those of you who know your plants better than me, identify it for me. I think, according to the app, it's honeydew or cantaloupe, but we'll see what you guys have to say. Maybe it's a watermelon. I don't even know. No, I don't know. Tell me what you think. Hey there. Well,
howdy.
That was the end of week 35.
Unbelievable.
It was short. Sorry about that.
The video, not the week. The week was pretty long.
The week was long. The vloggage was short. I think that we are just like a little bit, our mindset is elsewhere right now.
It'll make sense next Saturday. So next Saturday, you'll understand a little bit better.
Yeah. We're down to like the little things, painting trim, which I despise doing because I wanted to spray it all, but that's not happening. So,
well, the difficult thing is finding a place to spray because of overspray and making sure bugs don't land in it, dirt doesn't hit on it, and then you end up shooting it with nail guns. Then you got to caulk the holes, or actually we use a plastic wood filler for the first time, and I actually really love it, but it dries really quickly. And then you got to sand it, and then you got to paint over it anyway. So it's like, yeah, we just might as well
can't win.
Do what we're doing, and we'll just do little bits at a time. So as you'll see, we got a couple of things in place, and we'll do it as we can.
Yeah, we have toilets now. Woo!
I still go outside in the corner by the tree, but whatever.
Not me. What else happened? It was, like I said, a short week. So you just saw it.
I can't even, I mean, you just saw the video and I can't even remember. I don't watch the videos until Saturdays as well. So I look forward to watching the whole thing, and Karen's lovely editing skills and her voiceovers and all that fun stuff. So she does a great job putting all that stuff together. Yeah, we're actually sitting in the car, obviously, in the Riggs driveway because we forgot to do our porch talk before we left the farm today. But anyways, a lot of you have been asking and in the comments questioning what's going to happen to flipping the farm once we're done with the farmhouse. We've been throwing around ideas to continue it about life on the farm or farm life or whatever, or just come up with a new little series. But we want to know, is there interest out there if we come up with a new series,
or continue this one. Y'all let us know what you think below.
There's plenty of things we can keep doing. I can promise you that.
Yeah.
As we work on different things.
And we live a really crazy life.
Absolutely.
So be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and if you feel inclined to share this video, we would greatly appreciate it because we're trying to grow our channel. I feel like I've always been blessed to stay home and get to work from home and do things like that. This is part of it too. So sharing is caring.
Yeah. All right. Y'all have a great week, and we will for sure have a great week. Take care.
See you next week. I know I say this almost every week, but guys, if you have not gone back and checked out week 1 or week 2 or just a little bit of the beginning of our vlog, you have to. It's so incredibly amazing how different things look around here. I think our own minds are even blown at times looking back. So just click right here and it will take you there. Have a great week.